So today we have a presentation. So I hope you are ready with your presentations. Okay, let everyone join. Whoever ready with the presentation, they will be presenting. Okay, guys, are you ready with your presentations? Hello.
Yes, Kavita. Actually, I have created, but it's kind of online. No way I can not download it. So I'm just going with other options. So basically, it's not yet ready properly.
Whoever ready, you can present. Whoever not ready, you can just create your presentations now.
Uh, I'll do one thing. I'll just share it, whatever I have prepared. So not much, but I can share it now. Can you able to see my screen?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
Samit. Yeah.
Great. So I have prepared this session one, where we went through theme manager. I have added a step-by-step guide, kind of how to follow it. So, yeah, here we are. We need to click on the first option for the search. Here you can see the dot here. It shows where we need to click, right? So we need to click here, then we need to type theme manager, then click on it. It shows the suggestion here. Suppose then we need to click on three dots to make a duplicate copy. When we get the the landing page, here we can see three dots here, right? We need to click on it, then we will get option of duplicate. So just need to click on duplicate, then a copy will be created wherein we need to uh, give a theme name along with the description. So here is the theme name, the first box, and the second box is the theme description, whatever theme we are configuring here. We need to give the description. Then we have the options here to configure, you know to configure the theme. We can do that with all the options given below. You can change the colors, and we have different fields here, all the fields if you want. Yeah, so these are all the different fields in the theme manager where we can kind of configure or edit. And again, we have more options to do that. So this was the first session presentation, and I have prepared for second as well. So second session was nothing but the configuring the home page. So again, we need to go to the search bar, like you can see the dot here, right? So then we need to type manage home page and click on it. We get the first option, we need to click on it. So let me yeah, see, you can see that. And we need to, if you want to do any changes over here, such as if you want to make a change in banner image, you need to click here. If you want to make a change in quick actions, you need to click here, the arrow mark, again the favorites, where we will add bookmarks, you need to click here. And we do have options for the cards that we will see on our dashboard, right? The surveys, the organizational updates, supplemental task, anything, or card settings. So yeah, so this is the banner image that we will be seeing here. So I have used the previous one that I have created by uploading that. So I have uploaded it, and we need to click on save. We do have option here mobile as well. We can upload a picture that kind of fits with the mobile display. So we can do that over here, and we can click on save. Then again, we need to go back to the manage home page by clicking on the top, the hyperlink. Then it will get back to us to the home page of managing. Here again, we have quick options, we have favorites. We can do that one by one. If you want to add any quick action, you can add that by clicking on this option. And again, it will only allow 5 custom options. Here already 4 are there, so I try to add one new. And yeah, again we have favorites. As you know, we can add bookmarks to our landing page. And yeah, that's all. When we can go to the favorites, here you can see plus icon. So by clicking on it, you can add a bookmark or a favorite you know kind of module into the favorites section. And yet we do have other options. So these two PPT I have prepared, and the third one I wasn't able to prepare it due to the restrictions, I believe. So That's all I have now. Kavita, um, just a quick question. Is it okay if I have just showed that one, or should I have to go, again in depth of these steps?
You can give in-depth only.
Okay. Just that the steps kind of getting large, so I just thought to go to the overview.
Okay, it's fine.
Okay.
Anyone others?
Okay, just preparing.
I think they are preparing Kavita.
Okay, share your screen and prepare. Whoever not prepared, and if you want to prepare at your home, you can prepare. But without the presentation, no further classes. You have to prepare a step-by-step process with the in-depth completely.
Kavita. Kavita, you there? Hello, Kavita. Kavita, you there? Yes, I have. I am ready with the third session for configuring the company structure. Yeah, I am ready. All right, so let me share the screen. Can you see the screen?
Yes, yes. Now,
Okay, great. So we had a session 3 where we will be configuring the company structure overview in as a success factor, where we begin by clicking on the start button, by clicking on the search button at the top of the landing page, home page, and by typing the configure company structure. When we type it, we are going to get a drop down menu there, right? So when we click on it, we'll get this page basically. So here we have an option here to click to click on add, where we are gonna add the structure of the organization, and wherein when we click on that, we are gonna get this page to add the data like the code of the organization and the name of the organization, and the what's the root entity for that organization, and some default settings will starting with legal entity, and then we just need to click on apply here. So then these the organization legal entity has been created over here. So when we click on it, right, we are gonna get 3 options here. One is the edit layout, the second one is the add a child entry, and the third one is add a parent entity. So we are going to add a child entity here. Just we need to go with the hierarchy. In after legal, we have a business unit which is associated to the legal entity. So when we click on add child entity, we are going to get a drop down over here like this, wherein we need to select the business unit. Then we need to click on add. So again, yeah, so this will be added here. Then again, we need to click on the business unit. Here we go. Then we get a kind of again the same thing, which is edit option, add entity, and add child entity and delete entity. So this time we are going to go with the edit layout, wherein we are gonna edit the layout of that. So here we have the layout to edit. Firstly, we will go with the color by choosing this pencil icon and going through the color. Then we need to click on apply. by choosing, after choosing the color, then it's the same thing, apply. Then we have the second thing over here, which is we did, if we want to add the fields, right, we can just click on add field, where I have already clicked. I just need to select the uh, the field here using this drop down menu, wherein I'm gonna select that. So I am selecting here as business unit name, the first option, and yep, it's done. And again, if you want to add the field, then again we can add it over here by clicking on add a field. Right, I have selected add a field, and I can see the drop down again here. I'm gonna go with the description this time, and I have added the description here. You can see the description. Again, I'm gonna go with add a field. I need to add again a field. Totally depend on the requirement, whatever the organization needs. So yep, I have added again. You can see here I need to select it, what I need to show there. So I am going with the start date actually, not with this one, the start date. Yep, after doing that, we have a couple of checkboxes to select here, which is nothing but this I shows italic and the B shows bold, how the name and the code should appear on that over here. Right. So I'm going with business unit should be bold, and the business unit name italic along with the bold. Again, the same thing, the same thing. Yeah. So when you are done with this, you need to click on apply. Right. When you click on apply, it is gonna get these details over here. See, we have a business unit, we have business unit code, unit name, description, and the start date. Right. So again, going to that by clicking on it, we are gonna add a child entity to this one. Click on child entity. So on this, we will be going to select division, which is associated with the business unit. Right? Here's the division that we are gonna select, which is related to association of business unit. Right? Then we click on apply by selecting that. Then the division has been added. Again, if you want to edit it, you need to click on it here. You can see the edit layout. You can go to there and you can add the visibility of fields, whatever you want. Select the drop down, or you can search directly. Right, I have selected the name, and again one more field I'm gonna select, which is again I think started or description, and the checkboxes again italic, bold, italic, bold, italic, bold. Right, then again checkboxes over here, then I've added. Right, so after all that, after doing everything, you need to if you want to save this structure, then you need to just click on it. Right, when you click on it, you will get this notification, which is nothing but it shows this will be showed here and there and all. So you need to just click on proceed, then done. So this is all we can do. I think you can see the structure that I've created now, which is nothing but the legal entity, business unit, and division. And again, if you want to add, we can add by clicking on the here child entity. So yep, this was the session 3 of configuring the company structure overview. Moin, have you prepared?
Are you there, Samir?
Yes, Moin. Yeah.
Checking. I just prepared for team manager in depth. I don't know. Oh, it will be. Let's see. I hope Kavita is also here.
I think she is listening to us,
Okay.
but she can't speak.
Okay, no problem.
Mhm.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can.
Wonderful. So actually, sorry for the late, but I was preparing it. So
Mhm.
can you see my screen?
Yep, perfectly.
Okay. So so this is how I prepared. Uh, we covered the topics like the manager and manage homepage and data models and configure company
Hmm.
structure overview in 4 classes,
Right.
right? So for that, I just to give an overview. What is exactly success factor? It is a cloud-based, uh, you know, HR or human capital management, cloud-based HR tool,
Hmm.
starting onboarding to the exit. every detail should be there. So there are
Okay.
a lot of modules like Employee Central, recruitment, onboarding, learning, and performance and goals, and time tracking. So all these are there. So we are in Employee Central right now.
Mm-hmm.
So first, what we have learned is Team Manager. So to go to the Team Manager, first we need to go to the search bar here. Just give me a second. Search bar. Then we
Mm-hmm.
need to search for a manage theme. Then we will get this interface. And by default, there are two themes from SAP that we can use, like SAP uh, morning one and the evening one.
Mm-hmm.
So to create, our own theme, we need to click on duplicate by clicking on these three dots.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I have written here. And
Okay.
then we need to, then we get this, interface here.
Mm-hmm.
So then we need to write the name of the theme. I mean the client name or any theme name, whatever we want. And then we need to write the description here.
Right.
Then we need to, by default, there will be a theme identifier will be, created. We cannot change that. And then next is quick theme. In quick theme, we can change the background color and accent color. So
Right. Right.
I mean, for this accent color, there will be another button generate. After clicking on that, it will, we can show the, I mean, we can see the results.
Mm-hmm.
And then we have a shadows, use the shadows, yes or no. And then we have a container shadow, like dark or light, whichever, we want. And then we have a downloadable fonts. I think we didn't discussed about it. And then we have a advanced downloadable fonts,
Right.
right? So I have, shown this generate button and dark light, this section. And we can change the colors by, color platelets, or in the RGB. There will
Right. We
be
can generate the color in RGB using
exactly,
RGB code.
exactly. This is how it will show. And then next, if you are done with this, now we have a fine tune. Fine tune. There are multiple, uh, what we can say,
Drop
sub
downs.
modules. Yeah, drop downs. We can change like background, header, background, logo, placemat, landing page theme. You can see here all these. This is how
Mm-hmm.
they look. Menus, global navigation, portlets, v12, footer, everything. Each and everything we can change. You can see the colors, which we done on the first day.
Right.
These are the colors we selected. And so first, let's go with, let's discuss, two or three things in that. So first is background. In this, first is background. So we are going with the background. Then we have a, select texture. In texture, we will be having mesh gradient, in that light, dark, and sandy and metallic. There are multiple, options are available.
Mm-hmm.
And then we can also enter the URL for image. We can also upload an image also there. It will show as an image. So
Image.
after uploading the image, we have one more option there: image display repeat. Repeat X for, for certain modules, and repeat Y for number of times it should be, it will repeat. And there will be another option, no repeat. So
Right.
yeah, this is for image. And
Image.
there is one more option, no image. I think no image is nothing but not adding image. And then we, after adding the image, we have more to, options to, like center, left, right, where it should be. I mean center, left, or right.
Left or right. Yeah.
Yeah. And then we can also place them center, left, I mean top, bottom, top or bottom.
Mm.
Okay. And then we have a one more option there, lightning. Lightning, it is a fading from center, or no, fading from center means nothing but, from center, it will be showing fading into black, left and right side. We have seen on that day.
Yes, 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 yes. I remember.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. And then after background, then I prepared for header background. Header background is nothing but this one, this
Header,
section.
yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So there will be a by default, and there will be a solid color which we need to give a color. I mean
Mm-hmm.
solid color,
Mm-hmm.
and then we can upload a image also there.
Okay.
So the header color, we can decide as per the color platelet RGB in this color section. And then we have a width type. Width type is nothing but full body width. Full body width means this is a full body.
Mm.
And if we placemat width means this is just a placemat width. From in only we can see the logo, model picker, search bar, and these things, right?
Okay. Mm.
Half of the header. And then we have a logo here. Logo, we can change the logo. By default there will be SAP or companies or clients, whatever it will be. And if
Mm.
we want to change the logo as per the client or organization, then we can upload a logo here. And the container, there will be a container to it. We can change the color of that container box.
Mm-hmm.
And the logo width, how much it should be, 80, 90, 20, 120, depend on the size of the logo. If it is very
Right.
small, then we can give the uh, size of the width should be high. And if it is a big, already a big logo, then it should be width should be less, right? And
Okay.
like that we can change the placemat, all these things, whatever you can see here, we can change each and every color for every button.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And then I created, I have mentioned like which in each and everything. So then because it is a lot of things here.
Yeah, yeah, a lot of configuration. Yeah, we can
uh,
do,
yeah.
configure everything. Yeah.
So then I came to the the section login styles. you know uh, I'm indicating with the arrow marks as
Arrow
well.
mark. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. In that we have a multiple drop downs. You can see login background. When you log in, suppose, let me share you this one. Let's have a real time explanation as well. Yeah, this one, this section we can login background. We can change the color of the login background, and there it is. Yeah. And we can change the logo here.
Okay.
We can change the logo.
Mm-hmm.
And we can change the login button as well. Login button, this one.
The continue one.
And then we have a login footer. Login footer means this section, the line
Yeah.
section.
Yeah.
Footer. This one we can also change that thing as well here in this. And there are color changes as well, we can do that. And then it comes to the last section, that is favicon. Favicon nothing but this heart shape symbol. I will show you in a real time once I log in.
Yeah, you can see the Google symbol right at the top. G.
Yeah, here we can see the
Right.
favicon. This one
Favicon.
is a favicon.
Mm.
So here I pasted the small uh, screenshot.
Mm-hmm.
So we can change the footer logo in that section, and we can change the footer text of that. And then we have a next thing is theme sharing.
Yeah.
So, theme sharing, this is the last section. If you click on the theme sharing here, let me, yeah, theme sharing, then
Mm-hmm.
will be having two options: export theme, import theme. Once you
Mm-hmm.
click on the export theme, you will be getting an interface like this.
Right.
like this. Then we need to copy all this, whatever we have done the changes like colors, texture, login, everything, whatever we have done the changes in the above, that it will show as a code, you can say. Then we need to control a copy, control C, and then we need to close it, and then we need to go to the import theme.
Import theme, okay.
Import theme, you will be getting like this one. You can see the screenshot. There you can paste this thing.
Right, the copied code. Yeah.
Yeah, if you want me to just give me a second. This we need to copy here.
Right.
Got it? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Once you copy there, you need to click on this import button. Import button. Then we need to, we will be getting a, after clicking it, let me show you real time. Here, control A, control C, import.
Paste it. Import.
Import, then we need to save. That's what I have written here. Need to paste, and above I mean these, whatever we have pasted here, then we need to click on the save. So to show that I have taken this real time, then we need to click on the save. It is created. Now we need to go to the theme page, manage themes. We'll be getting like this copy of church what we have created. Then we need to click here by default, and then we need to click on the save, and then we need to click on this three dots, and then we need to click on the try it out. So for this to create this, there will be important note is that always create a theme by clicking on the existing themes.
Yeah, we can
Duplicate.
duplicate it. Yeah.
Create a duplicate theme.
Hmm.
Because if client
Something goes out of the ways, then we can revert it.
again back to our old theme,
Right.
right? So this is what I have created. So I hope you liked it.
Yes, yes, very well. It is kind of detailed one. Yeah.
In detail. So I will definitely create these three things like this only. Even create it and set it.
Perfect. This was good.
Good.
Yeah.
Thank you. Kavita, are you there? Hello.
When you can just type in the chat, I think she might respond.
कैसा था भाई मेरा? अच्छा है ये? अच्छा,
Yeah.
गुड.
Uh, he is available on the chat. I think she saw our message.
और मैसेज क्या? कैसा था अपना अपना डेप्थ था नहीं?
हाँ, in depth था, मस्त था. Yeah, that was good. You can, text her over WhatsApp or you can give a call to her.
I just texted her on WhatsApp. I don't know.
Let's wait for 5 minutes.
Uh-huh.
And if we don't respond or come, we can kind of log out.
क्या करे समीर में?
कुछ भी नहीं भाई.
प्रिपेयर कर लेते